Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a gallery onto your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the homepage of one of my sites and I'm just going to go ahead and go into the edit screen just to remove this because this is what I'm going to show you how to add. So as you've seen, once you're on any page where you want to add your gallery, you can make a new page. You can insert it to any page you would like. Just go ahead and click the edit button to start editing that page. Now, once you do this, as you can see here, you can start editing. You can add new sections. You can add new blocks. But what we're going to be adding is an entirely new section. Now, when I click add section, you'll get this list over here. And in previous versions of Squarespace, that is Squarespace 7.0 and before, you had a specific gallery type of section which you could add. There was a complete difference in the layout between that version and this version. However, here in this version, it is a bit easier to manage this. You can just scroll down under add a section, this pretty much menu of templates, and you need to go to images. This is where you'll add your gallery. You can also add a video gallery if you want. This is what that looks like, but I'm going to be focusing on images in this tutorial. So once you're here, just go into images, and here you'll see all the templates that you can add. For example, you have these mosaic patterns, you have these full screen sort of galleries, you have the sliding gallery, you have this sort of sliding gallery where pictures are cut off, but they show multiple pictures in one screen. I'm just going to go ahead and add this, for example, mosaic section, and as you can see, it already fills it up with the placeholder images. Here you can hover over it and click on edit gallery, and here you can change the pictures that appear here. So let me just delete some of them just so that you guys can see a bit easier what that looks like. You can just click here on the plus where you can upload images or search for images, and as you can see, this is about what it looks like. It's pretty much as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.